Okay.
Today I'm going to do the egg
Egg
sandwich.
Go, begin. Stand up first. What will you need for your egg sandwich, Neil? You will need 2 pieces of eggs. What else? What else do you need? 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. It's hot? Little bit. Okay. And then, the other one. It's hot? A little bit. Akala ko, coffee yung inaano mo eh. Okay, then, okay na. Be sure that no more shell on it. Then, what will you do? Galing ah. Ganyan pala ang turo sa inyo ni teacher, no? Neil? And then, is that finish?
Mami, sabi daw dito i-google.
Neil, is that finish? Oh,
Mami, dito
more,
daw.
nak. More squish.
Yan yung
Sige pa, nak. Yan. Oh. May kasama pang tikim ah. Okay. Then, after that, sarap pa.
Mayonnaise.
Oh, mayonnaise. Assistant cook. Assistant chef. Oh.
Give it to me.
Are you excited? In your sandwich? Hi. Say hi to daddy. Okay. Then, we're going to put the mayonnaise. Hola.
Anong ola?
Lahat.
Ola?
Para tayong pugon ng init. Then, after that, is that finish? Liquid one, please. Chip. And then, is that finish? Not yet. You're going to put, before you make halo, don't forget the salt and the pepper.
Katapos
Okay?
umi.
Bubud-budan mo lang. Yan, ganyan. Galing, oh. Hindi mo ibubos, kundi bubudbud mo lang, no? Ang galing. Galing naman, ah. Oh, okay na ba yon sa tingin mo? O kulang pa? Baka kulang pa.
Hindi na.
Taste it. Mmm. Wow. Oh, is that finished? Or you, some salt? More salt pa.
Tama naman, matamis. Matamis.
Pepper yan eh. Oh. Salt. A little bit salt. Okay. Lagyan mo pa ng konti.
Tikman mo na.
Wow. Can I taste it now? Wow. Oh. Taste it.
Ikaw.
Ako ba? Oh, sige. I'm going to taste it. Mmm. 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 Delicious. Nice job. Well done, my son. Well done, my son.